Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to deep clean the Baby Brezza Formula machine for storage and in order to not have mold in your formula. Of course, you don't want having mold in the water for your baby, so let me show you step by step what you have to do quickly. Okay, so first of all, you have to remove all the accessories. First the cap and then the formula holder. Yeah, you have to completely clean it, and then you have to remove this funnel, yeah, and the tray. And over here you can see a lot of old formula. You have to clean it really nicely. As you maybe can see, let me show you. Here is a lot of mold that yeah, might appear. Now this one is not has been not cleaned or used in a long time, so make sure this area over here is really clean, and then this area over here is really clean. And another thing that you have to pay attention, and this is the most important thing, yeah, here you have to remove the water tank. Remove all the water inside, clean it, and then inside of the machine there is still another water tank that has to be completely emptied. Yeah, so in order to do this, you have to put the machine at 90 degrees, and here, where is the intake for the water, you have to press on it, and then all the water inside will be completely emptied. Yeah, as you can see, there is a lot of water inside. If you not respect this step and you are not emptying this internal water tank, definitely you will have mold into your machine. Yeah, so you can see also up here it will empty the water. It's a lot of water. Yeah, I would say, I don't know, 600 milliliters. So don't bypass this step. Press on this in order for the air to enter and completely empty the water from the internal tank. After this step, yeah, just clean it with a cloth and soapy water, and you can store it nicely, yeah, and safely. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I will gladly answer. And if you want to see any type of repair videos for coffee machines or this type of espresso machines and electronics, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye.